Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 09 June 2018, 05 of hour, 25 of minute and 55 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, how much did it cost to build the first computer? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about how much did it cost to build the first computer. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about how much did it cost to build the first computer. The Apple I went on sale in July 1976 at a price of US $666.66 because Wozniak liked repeating digits and because of a 1/3 markup on the $500 wholesale price. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.